Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and issue a refund and credit note on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go there and get started with signing up for an account. So you're going to need an account. If you already have one, you can just go ahead and log in the upper right corner. So once you have logged in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From where we can get started at the top of the page, accessing the configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to get started with issuing refunds and credit notes. As you can see right here on the official odoo.com documentation page, we have an article for credit notes and refunds. So this is a document sent to a customer to inform them they have been credited or debited a certain amount. And here is how to issue it. You're going to go into accounting, customers, and invoices. Currently, I do not have those options right here because I do not have a store website. I only have a rental service, so I do not have any refunds or accounting services, but it's going to appear right here at the top of the screen. You're going to be able to access your settings from the configuration tab and access those settings right here and go into the invoices tab. From there, you're going to go and be able to open up the credit note window, fill out the reason, and then get started with issuing the credit note. You can follow the rest of the steps right here. Go to the official documentation page, find the credit notes and refunds article, and get started for yourself, getting everything in great detail. But that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.